Me all ready to go for a hike, and it's very hot today. It's like 29, slightly less than yesterday, but still a little bit humid. And we are going to Columbia Trail. Should be in the shade, and if it rains at the end of the afternoon, we are in good shape in that stuff. So I'm waiting for my friend Helen, and we have to jumble the cars around because it's a parking lot here. So I already took my car out in the street temporarily, and it's loaded. I just need to grab my cameras and stuff that I don't want to leave in the heat, and we're good to go. Arrive at the parking lot, and we are hiking the Columbia Trail from Long Valley to Bartley Park, Bartley something. So first river crossing, easy this time. Road crossing, and that's the terrain all along. I mean, that's a railroad, so that's why. Another river crossing on the Columbia Trail. Very nice. Columbia Trail. Yeah, maybe that's right. That's gigantic tree. I don't know if it picks up on the GoPro, but it's gigantic. Look at that crazy vine going around. Is it like poison ivy? We don't know. Look like a snake.
I don't know, but yeah.
Look like a boa. Look at that. at that massive tree. Something. Yeah, that's, you know, that's the train was like going in between those two little bumps. There were some sections where I thought that the electricity running. Yeah, of course. Look at that. That's a Raritan River. Good old Raritan River. That's a deer actually, so that doesn't count. New Jersey, farmland, New Jersey. There's not enough here. This farms, there's the Clydesdale or something, the gigantic ones that. That's it. That's them, no? So look at that thunder suddenly, so we are turning back. Look at that, it's like a heavy downpour suddenly. So they are all waterproof, right? Maybe the map is not waterproof. I have my yeah, it's stuck a plastic bag and bag. I have the rain bag actually. Oh, yes. We are 35% in the rain, so that's it. Glad we didn't go to a more sophisticated. And then anything, so that's nice. Back to the car, safe and sound. A little wet, but that's it. I want to put something in the car.